Back to my channel here. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace an existing drive in Truenas Scale. So the version of Truenas Scale I am is 22.13.3.2. So you may have like multiple pole, like I have right now. I have disconnected my main pole, which is Hulk. As you could see, this is offline for safety reasons, so that I don't mess up because I am no pro in it. And this is my second pole. So what it has is all my applications. As you could see, IS application and other applications like Plex, Prism, Pi-hole, blah blah blah. And this is I too, because if you install all the application on your main pole, which generally consists of your HDD mechanical spinning drive, it not only keep on spinning but also consume more electricity. And in case you want to destroy a pole or upgrade it, which I did multiple times, you will lose all your apps settings and data as well. So to avoid that, I have to use another NVMe drive, and I use this as my apps drive or data drive. Now that said, let's go ahead and try to replace this one. So you will go to storage, go to manage device, click on device, and you should see a couple of options: extend, remove, offline, run test. What I'm gonna do here is replace, and select the disk you want to replace it here. So I added this 2 TB NVMe drive. One thing you must keep in the mind: to replace a drive, you must at least have the same capacity, which is 500 gig or more. In this case, I am selecting more because I have this spare in my house, and then go ahead and hit replace. So what it will do is it wanna copy all the data, and we should just leave it. Once it's done, you can go ahead and remove this drive. Just done this drive and you should be good. So right now it's resilvering. It might take some time. I would leave to it unless it's complete. As you could see, it's happening really fast because NVMe to NVMe. That is all for this video. Hope it helps you to understand how to replace a drive in NVMe in a Truenas Scale. Thank you for watching. Take care.